Rinse sponges frequently and change rinse water often to prevent redepositing grout haze on large format tile floors. When cleaning grout haze on large format tile, use a 2-bucket method and keep 1 bucket for clean rinse water and the other for wringing soiled water out. Work in small sections no larger than a 2-foot by 2-foot square, so you are always using fresh water and a lightly damp sponge rather than a dripping wet one. Wring the sponge completely after each pass and press it flat to lift haze without scrubbing aggressively, which can leave swirl marks on polished finishes. Replace the rinse water after each small section or whenever you see cloudiness to avoid smearing sediment back onto tile. For very soiled grout, change to a new sponge once the sponge feels gritty or has residue that cannot be removed by rinsing. If a sponge becomes discolored or smells, replace it immediately since trapped grit will scratch surfaces and odors indicate absorbed contaminants. The most common problems are smearing haze from using the same dirty water across a large area and scratching from gritty sponges, both solved by frequent water changes and replacing the sponge when it feels gritty. Over-wetting tiles by using a dripping sponge can make haze harder to remove and leave streaks, so always use a lightly damp sponge and wring it flat between passes. Using aggressive scrubbing pads or abrasive cleaners can etch glazed and polished tiles, so switch to non-abrasive sponges and a mild pH neutral cleaner and test in a hidden spot first. We run bighomeprojects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors and contractors can find work related to tile and other projects. We also host a discussion community so our users can share techniques like proper sponge rinsing and product recommendations.